Hello everybody, welcome back to part 2 of this video, and this is a continuation on last night's video. Tonight I'm talking about why gold prices have been rising so fast recently. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and I will explain all of this throughout this video, so please like and subscribe. Instructions have been on screen. Right, so first things first, we're going to look at some stocks and we're going to look at the gold price, and I'm going to show you the contrast between both. So today everything does look like it's gone up quite a bit. Obviously at the end we can see Tesla right at the top, which is an individual stock, has gone down a little bit, and as that stock has gone down, gold has gone up. And some more stocks to look at. Obviously we are going to be using US stocks. They've been fairly quite up today. Some of them have been up, some of them have been down, but generally everything looks quite green until you get to the lower side. But I'm just talking about tech stocks, but it can be any kind of stock in the US market, but we are using the US market for this example. So gold price over the last few months, as we know, has been rising quite quickly. This is a 1 month chart. This chart this month has been quite amazing for the price of gold. It's gone up so high, you know, in 1 month, but even in the months before that. We know that's because of the virus, but why? So basically, when stocks go down or when the market becomes more volatile, investors may put their money into gold, because gold is something that's always going to be there. You know, gold is not going to go bust or bankrupt or something. Gold is just a commodity, and it's been trusted and proven in the past. Now, of course, gold has hit new highs due to the uncertainty in the market. So another example where we can see this is we're just going to use the Great British Pound and the US dollar, and we can see that on the 1 month, if we go up there, so on the 1 month it's been pretty much all down recently. Obviously it's starting to go up with stimulus packages and things like that, but it's not really been great since the virus hit in February. So we can see here the dollar took a massive hit and it's been down ever since, and it's even still not reaching the highest wick of the month of February or January. So you can see it's been not very good for the dollar indeed. So the markets are quite, you know, volatile at the minute, and that is persuading a lot of investors to go straight to gold. And because of that, a lot of investors have just pumped a lot of money into gold, forcing the price up quite highly, because it's something that can be relied on, and it's something that's going to go up, and it's been proven that it can work in the past. And obviously now we're seeing record highs of the gold price. So is it too late to invest in gold? Well, I'm not going to give you a yes or no answer to that, because honestly, it does need your research, because no matter what I say, I can't give you financial advice, and you should always do your own research. But think logically. So if we can see that uncertainties in the market cause gold prices to go up sky high, and we've got to think about where the future is heading. So we've got to ask ourselves some reasonable questions. Can we see the dollar or other currencies strengthening? Can we see the dollar weakening? Can we see other currencies weakening? Can we see the global economy going down or going up? Can we see stock prices falling or rising? Is there going to be a good outcome in the future and things are going to get better quite soon? Or are things going to get worse? This is why I'm asking myself. And personally, I have invested in gold, but I have also invested in some stocks, so I can't really say either way. But it is important when you're doing for your own investing to do your own research. So is gold going to go up or down? I don't know. I think it could still have the potential to go even higher. We can see here the month is just starting off, and even in the previous months when gold went sky high this last month, there was still a negative wick on that candle, but it did start to push up higher, and there's not really much of a high wick on that candle. So what does that show us? It shows us that there's not really very much resistance for it, and the price does really want to go higher. So we'll have to see what happens there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick one. I've just been trying to explain the basics of why the gold price has shot up and if it's going to do so in the future. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.